There are two important concepts that we should know about energy and about work and energy. So, first is the topic of conservation of energy. And the equation that proves this is that K final plus U final is equal to K initial plus U initial. This shows that the energy is constant and it remains the same. And even though K final and K initial are different numbers, when you add it with U final and U initial, it's going to equal the same number. They're equal to each other, which means that the energy was conserved. Now we can also look at how to calculate potential energy. And potential energy is when the work is equal to the negative change in the potential energy. So if the potential energy is equal to mgy, or the mass by the gravity by y, then we know that uy initial minus uy final, or the second one, is equal to mg times y initial minus y final. And that's how you calculate the potential energy, or that's how you know what the potential energy is.